Cheers.
Yeah.
This looks like a pretty good spot right here. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We have our snowmobile out, we have a sleigh with all our camping gear, and we're about to set up a tent in the snow here. Right here. So stay tuned because we're doing it right now.
You don't have to go right through by me. Are you in?
Yeah, I'm in now.
And I'm in. Now clips. What's in there?
I don't know. What is that? Flying at my mittens. Oh, it's a floor. We're not going to use the floor today. And we brought the remote this time for this diesel heater, so here's hoping.
It's all in Mandarin though.
Yeah, I can't read. I don't know. We're gonna see. We might just have to use it manually again. I don't know. Now time to start our campfire up.
Tent already?
Yeah.
Is it sleepable now?
Check it out. Everything's set up. Wow, much different.
Much different.
Yeah, that doesn't even feel like snow anymore.
No.
Like ice pellets. It's spooky. What is that, pine?
Yeah, it's just a dead pine.
Oh. Well, we've been enjoying a nice campfire for a while, and now we are hungry.
Grilled cheese.
Yeah, so we
Noodle
brought a
soup?
little, what did we
Is that
bring?
noodle soup?
Yeah, we'll do that after. It was a propane stove we're gonna cook on tonight. Not on the campfire, so we're gonna go into the tent now and do a little cooking.
Did you like that? Nice and warm.
We already went ahead and did these. I didn't want to make them here, so.
It's gonna be a lot of close-ups since we're both sitting in here.
Yeah.
It's really not that big in here. Big enough though when you think about it. The one you bent the corner on, that one's yours.
We also have these that I'm gonna boil some water after we eat these and probably have that
Before
afterwards. Bed. Yeah, just before bed. They're nice and soothing and warm, and yeah.
Yum.
Ooh, they're on the well done side.
Yeah, they are.
Oops.
Let us chow.
Grilled cheese. How's the other side look? Oh, it's pretty.
Oh, I think this one was supposed to be yours.
Oh well, whatever. They've
Freaking
seen better
hot anyway.
days. Cheers.
Yeah. Yeah, this is too hot for me.
Not for me.
Let's crash now.
We're not gonna. What?
What? I was just saying, but we just eat these and then you can burn us up a couple more.
Yeah, I actually brought a few more because I figured we'd be hungry from all this running around today. So make us a few more. We're gonna eat those soups as well. You probably don't want to watch us eat. And yeah, we'll catch you for bedtime then. Oh, my God.
Fire's almost out.
Oh, we finished our grilled cheeses and our soups, and we're sleepy, and the fire's gone, so I think we're gonna be heading to bed now.
It is definitely bedtime.
Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. We had a great time today. We really enjoy winter camping. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe if you want to see more of it, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
Good night.
Bye.